Hello YouTube, welcome to my channel. Today we are here in the hot, humid uh, Bangkok afternoon. In the hot, humid afternoon here at Bangkok downtown at Ratchapradit temple. We just get into this temple, Buddha temple area in this hot afternoon. The early summer in May time, mid-May, and basically like this is the we're located at the downtown area of Bangkok, right next to the Grand Palace. So many ancient tour attractions in this area. Some of them really famous, but don't get me wrong, for those ones, this is a Chinese style tower under construction. Not sure if I can get to that side of the world. Nope, the door is closed. But yeah, like, don't get me wrong, in these areas, like, even for the buildings and temples, they are not as famous as the Grand Palace or Wat Temple, but they are just still super magnificent, crazy big, really tall, really big, really impressive. Look at this huge tower with golden tip. It's made from stone. It's basically everything is made from stone. Look at the flooring and the white tower just in front of me, and the right hand side, right now at the center of the frame is the main worship area, main worship hall, and doors are closed that I assume I'm not allowed to get into it. On this side, both steps they are closed, so I assume I'm not allowed to get to the upper level of the base of this tower. And I see the statue of one of the famous monks. I wish I know. I read Thai. Unfortunately, I don't. And I just don't know what it says on the label. And we are walking to the right side of the worship hall here. Okay, I see one window is open. See all the golden decoration of the building. Basically from everywhere, what I can see, everything looks like made from stone, not cement, not concrete. It's made from stone. Just look at how beautiful they are. And yeah, look at the floorings and all the statues. You can tell the statues, they are really, really ancient. This is the main entrance hallway to the worship hall. And that's the front face of this major building of the temple. And I'm gonna be quiet and take my shoes off and take a quick look, quick tour to explore, to show you guys the interior of this worship hall. Okay, today, even there's no sign says no shoes allowed, I'm still taking shoes off from the experience before from other temple. Okay, now we are in. Yeah, so quiet in the worship hall. Good thing is, this is 100% for the for the local visitors. This is nothing for the tourists, since I've seen zero tourists in this temple. It's called Ratchapradit. Wait, okay. Okay. And yeah, here we go. That's it. That's the Ratchabadi temple